Here's a quick video on how to change the starter on these little Tao 110 four-wheelers. First, you're going to remove the old starter with these 3 bolts here, and then it'll pull out. There is a chain on the other side. You will have to remove this cover as well. Got 4 bolts, and it also has your ground wires attached. So just remove this cover here. There's no oil or anything to worry about. So here's the opposite side of the starter, and there's the chain that goes around it. A lot of people ask how you get this chain back on. And the way you do it, you take the old starter here and look at it. It has a snap ring right here, so you're gonna need a set of snap ring pliers. You're gonna pop that off, pop this gear off, and then you'll put your chain around the sprocket and then slide it back on with the chain already inserted.